Imagine a plane that never needs to refuel. A jet that could stay in the sky for weeks, even months, without ever landing. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, scientists in the US have just taken the first real step toward making it possible. Deep inside a military research center in Nevada, American aerospace engineers have tested something extraordinary: a plasma-powered jet engine. Unlike traditional engines that burn fuel, this one doesn't use a single drop. Instead, it ionizes the air itself, then accelerates those charged particles using powerful electromagnetic fields. The result? Continuous thrust, like a miniature fusion reactor, but built for flight. This plasma propulsion system can operate from sea level all the way up to near space. There are no spinning turbines, no blades, no exhaust flames, just electromagnetic waves pushing air molecules at incredible speed. With no moving parts, there's almost zero mechanical wear. That means, in theory, aircraft powered this way could stay airborne indefinitely. The team recently ran a test flight using a scaled prototype. It stayed in powered flight for more than 70 hours, powered only by minimal electricity. Engineers were stunned. For the first time, they saw an aircraft powered purely by plasma, maintaining steady flight without fuel. If scaled up, this technology could change everything. Long-endurance drones could circle the planet without landing. Plasma-powered aircraft could monitor climate patterns, relay communication signals, and even replace satellites in low orbit. The U.S. Air Force is already exploring how this could redefine reconnaissance and global surveillance. Researchers are calling it the birth of atmospheric ion propulsion, a future where the sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning.